Alrighty, let's take a look at this question. So we're given a bunch of functions, f, g, h of x, and we're going to look at question D. So we're asked to find negative 3 f at negative x plus 2. So first of all, we're going to take note at the f at negative x that's buried in there, and we're going to figure that out off to the side. So we know f of x is equal to negative 2x plus 4. So f at negative x means we replace x in that equation with negative x. So basically scoop it out with some brackets and insert negative x. Let's just simplify that a minute. Negative 2 times negative x is going to be positive 2x and then plus 4. All right, so now that little white box that I made over here, we're going to insert 2x plus 4 in there, which means we still have the negative 3 in front of it and the plus 2 after it. Alrighty, now we just need to simplify that. So distribute that negative 3 through. We would get negative 6x and then negative 3 times 4 minus 12, and then plus 2, and add like terms, so negative 6x minus 10. And there we go. That should be the answer to D. Okay, let's take a look at F. So F is g of x plus 5. All right, now g of x is up here, x squared minus 2x minus 8. Now we don't need to do anything with that like we did with the f at negative x, because x is x inside there. So we just simply need to replace g of x with the function above. So x squared minus 2x minus 8. And then there's a plus 5 added to that, so we'll throw that plus 5 on. And now we just add like terms. X squared minus 2x, negative 8 plus 5 is negative 3. And there we go. That should be your answer. Alrighty, I hope that helped.